Hello, hi everyone. This is Shrija. Welcome to Skinoreal, where I talk all things skincare. So if you like skincare related content, then make sure that you subscribe. Likewise, you can also follow me on Instagram, where I post more regularly. So today I'm going to cover one of the most requested topics of all times, and that is vitamin C recommendation video. Now, before I even start with my recommendations, I want to clarify one thing, that this video is only related to pure form of vitamin C, that is L-ascorbic acid or ascorbic acid. For different variations of vitamin C, I'm going to do a separate video. The reason is that when we talk about vitamin C, L-ascorbic acid is the most potent form, and I have personally tried all other variants, but I see maximum results from this particular variant. So I wanted to do like sort of a dedicated video for pure ascorbic acid vitamin C recommendation. Before I get into my product recommendations, if you are new into skincare and you don't know about the benefits of vitamin C, then let me just briefly tell you that vitamin C is an antioxidant, and it helps a lot if you are dealing with pigmentation, acne marks, or issues of enlarged pores. Now, when I say enlarged pores, I don't mean that by using vitamin C serums your pores are magically going to shrink, or you're going to get glass skin. No, what happens is that with age, the collagen and elastin fibers that holds our pores together, it starts to deplete. So that's the reason with age you start to feel that your pores are getting enlarged. Now, by introducing ingredients into your skincare routine that induces collagen production, you can sort of minimize the appearance of the same, because when there's a lot of collagen production in the body, it sort of gives you like a tighter, firmer appearance. So vitamin C is one such ingredient, and pure ascorbic acid is one of the most researched variants of vitamin C, and it is known to produce collagen production in the skin. So that's why even you will see a lot of dermats leaning towards this particular version as compared to other newer water soluble or stable versions of vitamin C. So now we all know that vitamin C, again, the pure ascorbic acid, is a very tricky ingredient to work with. The reason is that it is extremely unstable. So the moment you open your vitamin C, it starts to oxidize no matter how well it's packed. So that's the reason even when you're using the best of the formulas, it is recommended to finish a product. If you're using like a serum, it is recommended to finish a product within 3 months. And that's the reason I tend to lean more towards ampules, because they come in vial forms, and sometimes when I feel like using it, so like there's no sort of long-term commitment to the vitamin C. And if I feel like using vitamin C, I will use one vial in the entire week, and then if I feel I don't need it, I won't use it. So that's why I lean more towards vitamin C ampules as compared to dropper serums. Another thing that I wanted to point out was that now you will see a lot of pure ascorbic acid powders in the market, where they come with an instruction wherein you can mix them with your serums and stuff, and to get the same results at a cheaper cost. I recommend that you refrain from doing so. The reason is that we are not cosmetic chemists. You won't be able to control the pH at home. You can risk irritation or a compromised skin barrier. Lab Muffin has this video. If you don't know who Lab Muffin is, she is a PhD in chemistry. She has this video of DY vitamin C serum. So if you're using a powder, and like I advise against it, but if you still have a product and you want to use that pure ascorbic powder in a serum form, her video is linked in the description below. So make sure that you check that out. At least you will get some guidance as to how to go about it. Now let's start with my recommendation, and I don't think this one should come as a surprise to you all, and that is Martyderm Photo Age Ampules. I think I have been talking about this product ever since it was launched in India. Like, I got my entire family hooked to this particular ampules. Now, unfortunately, they are sold out on Sublime website since like a very long time, but they're expecting to restock it soon. I personally love this variant. It's called Photo Age. It has 15% vitamin C, and it also has plant molecules called protoglycans. The best thing about this particular product is that if you're suffering from severe acne marks and you use it consistently for 1 week, you start to see results. I think this is one of the products that starts to show drastic changes in only 2 to 3 weeks of time, and that's why it's one of my favorites. If you have oily skin, it's not sticky, because with vitamin C it can be a really tricky part. If you have oily acne prone skin, there are certain formulas that are so hydrating that it might feel sticky on your skin, but with this one it's not sticky at all. all. Of course, it's expensive. It comes for around, I think, 4,500 or 4,700. I'm not sure. I personally am able to use one vial for 4 days. Of course, I store it properly, and if I purchase a pack of 30 ampules, it lasts me for approximately 6 months. So in the long run, it's definitely worth the money. And if you want to check out anything from Martyderm, this is my first recommendation, followed by DSP Bright, which is like a combination of 5% vitamin C and tranexamic acid that really works well for like pigmentation and brown marks. And then if you have like dry skin, you can definitely try Hydra Plus. So this was it. I think overall Martyderm has done like a really good job when it comes to vitamin C formulas. Now moving on to the next formula, and that is from Paula Choice. It comes in like a really tiny tube. Amazon is the only authorized seller. Amazon and I think Myntra also, they sell authentic Paula Choice products. So if you're interested, you can check this out. Of course, it's not cheap in India. I think this only tiny tube comes for around 4,700. Yeah, exactly, 4,740 rupees. Of course, it's not cheap, but this is like more like a cream based formula. It's like a silicone based texture, but I don't think you'll be able to use it during the day because this particular product tends to pill when used with sunscreen. So if you want to incorporate vitamin C into your nighttime routine, this is the ideal formula. It is really sort of like very cream, very comforting. Another thing you have to keep in mind when you apply this particular product is that it is 25% pure ascorbic acid. It's a potent vitamin C. So I highly recommend you start with just using it on a particular spot, and then when you know build up tolerance, and then start using it on your entire face. Also, don't rub this formula, sort of dab it in when you're using it. Don't it clearly also says on the website that you should not massage this product into your skin. You should just dab it on the desired areas. If you're using on your entire face, just press it between your palms and sort of dab it. I really do like this product, but again, it's pricey. However, again, you know, you need very little amount, and this tube will easily last you for 3 to 4 months if you use it regularly every day. Now moving on to the third formula, and this is, I think, my new find, like my newest vitamin C that I have tried, and it's probably my favorite, and this is Vichy Vitamin C Serum with Peptides. Now, before you guys start asking me that where it's available in India, it's not available in India. I bought it from caretobeauty.com. It's a website where you get La Roche-Posay, Vichy, all other international brands. The thing is that I have ordered from this website multiple times. I have never paid customs. If you order in bulk for around 12,000, the shipping is also free, but otherwise also shipping is according to the weight of your package. So it's not that much, and there are no customs, but still order at your own risk. I personally find this website really reliable, and I do tend to order a lot of my international brands from this particular website. Now coming back to the Vitamin C by Vichy, this one is such a good formula. Again, it's similar to Martyderm ampules when it comes to, you know, the storage, and like it has like tiny vials. Again, I'm able to use one vial for 4 days. This one I believe is slightly more hydrating than Martyderm one because it has peptides, so it sort of gives like a very plumbing and hydrating effect for your skin. So I believe if you have mature skin, or you know you are looking to add vitamin C into your routine to just overall improve your skin texture, this one would be an ideal choice for you. It's again non-sticky. It's hydrating, but it's not at all sticky. It doesn't pill under the sunscreen. It is again a great product, and as I've said before that I personally enjoy using vitamin C vials or ampules more as compared to the serums because there is no commitment issue. And you know, I'm someone, I don't use vitamin C regularly into my routine, so when I have acne marks or blemishes and things like that and I want to see instant results, I'll use it for 2 to 3 weeks and then I don't use it. So that's about it. Like, I'm not a die-hard fan of vitamin C. Like, I love retinol. I use it consistently in my routine, but unfortunately that's not the case with me. For vitamin C, there's no particular reason. I just feel if I don't need it, I should just not use it. But again, this one comes for around 4,700 for again 30 vials. It's similar to Martyderm, but again, one box will last you for good 6 months. You can also try the 10 ampule box, which retails for around 2,700. I tried that first and then I invested into this one. So yes, definitely it's a great vitamin C formula if you want to check it out. Now moving on to the fourth product, because I know you guys also asked me for affordable recommendations. So this was, I don't have the product with me because it was so tiny that I think it lasted me only 2 weeks. And that is Fixderma Vitamin C. Again, it's pure ascorbic acid. It retails for around 1200, but it's like a really tiny amount that you get, and you need to use 1 to 2 pumps every day if you want to see desired changes in your skin. That is again a very good Indian formula that is available in the Indian market. I do recommend checking it out, but see, I don't think it's that cost effective in the long run, because you know the bottle gets over so quickly that you would end up repurchasing it. I think these formulas, of course, you're going to spend in one go, but they're more cost effective in long run. However, if you're into new, just venturing out into trying higher percentages of ascorbic acid and you want to see how well it works for your skin type, definitely start with Fix Derma one, as it's easily available and is affordable one time as compared to other formulas in the market. Now moving on to the last recommendation in my list, and that is Klairs Vitamin C. That one has 5% ascorbic acid and is good for beginners. However, it's not fragrance free, so this is not, if you are allergic to fragrance and essential oils, that product will not work for you. I think Klairs 5% ascorbic acid was one of my first vitamin C formulas that I tried, and I really liked it. The only thing is that it starts to oxidize really quickly if you don't store it properly. So if you happen to get that vitamin C, please make sure you're keeping it in the box that is given by Klairs. And then yeah, just use 5 drops every day. I don't think it's going to cause any irritation. It's good for beginners, but again, all of this really depends upon your individual skin type. And yeah, I think this vitamin C works really well for like acne marks and things like that. I don't think it's like that great of a product if you're looking for like aging gracefully purposes, because it's only 5% ascorbic acid. But yes, if you're looking to fight acne marks, I think it's a great product to start with, and that it is most affordable out of all the recommendations that I have given. So yes, now I'll of course be doing a separate video on different derivatives of vitamin C, but yeah, that is all I have for you guys today. If you have tried any of these products, do let me know. Please share your experiences. If there are any other pure ascorbic formulas that you would want me to try, leave them in the comments below and I'll be happy to try it for you guys. And yes, of course, if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you think that this video was useful, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye.